Wild homie with 500,000 on me. Going to the jeweler, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my journeys. So in today's journeys, we'll be going through the following TikTok trend section. So let's get right onto the video. The first trend I have been seeing is people ordering AirPod cases. What I'll be doing is ordering one, so let's get ready for that.
Hey everyone, so I accidentally burnt my face in the morning while I was curling my hair. It's raining, my hair got wet, and it's all frizzy now, and it doesn't even look curled. So those are my problems today. AirPod cases have been going viral on TikTok, and here are some of them. They are really cute. There's some like cup of noodle ones, Vaseline ones, and I decided to get the Coco Chanel one for my AirPod case. So let's go unbox that right now. So it has my address, so I'm sorry I have to cover it. This is an AirPod case that I got for my AirPods, obviously. So let's tear it up. Oh my god. This is so cute. OMG. You guys want some Coco Chanel? And this is how it looks with both.
The next trend I have been seeing is the song trend. So let's go see how that turns out.
First off, the watch. Boom, boom. I am so excited to film this trend because it is so funny to see people's reactions to what you sent them. So let's go ahead and do it right now.
The last trend that I have been seeing is people picking out sample cards from Home Depot. Then they paint the card based off their name. For example, let's say I pick this card. It says wave top, so I'll paint the beach or waves right here.
So let's go do that.
The first card that I'm going to paint is Balcony Sunset. This is how it looks. I really like this one. The next card is Waterfall. And this is how it came out. I also really like this one. Comment down below which one out of the two is your favorite. Thanks for watching today. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't do something unless you try something you can. Alright, bye, love you. Mwah!